Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. For our iron ore mission, there are 3 different ways that you can get points. The easiest way to get 2 points is to report the magnetic field strength from anywhere on the surface of Mars. From there are 5 different Martian rocks that are placed in 5 different locations on the surface of Mars. As you move your rover along the surface of Mars, you'll notice that there's a red box that follows you along. This red box indicates the location that you are in. If you believe that there is a magnet placed inside of one of the Martian rocks inside the section that you are in, that a red rectangle is placed around your rover, you are able to submit the value associated with reporting according to our guide that you'll see in the additional resources. And this will indicate to our Mission Mars base station that you believe that there is a magnet inside of this rock. If you report incorrectly, you will lose 10 points, but if you report correctly, you will receive 10 points. There is a maximum of 2 rocks or 20 points, and we're only going to take away a maximum of 20 points if you do report incorrectly for multiple different rocks that you report incorrectly. If you do get both correct, there is an additional 5 points, and that makes a total of 27 points. For more information on our other missions, please check out our other videos.